Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 puzzle. This one was created by F W Martindale in 1876. You can see the black king is stuck in this sort of region here. The queen can't actually check the black king. The bishop can. It's got two bishops who can sort of get in there. It's white to play. Can you see the checkmate in 2 moves? This one's fairly easy, to be honest. If you move the queen to b4, the king can escape to d5. You can then take the pawn with the queen, but the king can again escape. But then you can checkmate in 3 with the bishop to b4. If you push the b pawn, the king can move to c5, and then you can't get a checkmate in 2 this way. If you move the queen to a5, black can block by moving the pawn to b5. You can then take the pawn. If black tries to push the d pawn, you can move in with the queen to e5 to checkmate the king, but only in 3. One of the solutions to this one is to move the queen to d6. If black pushes the d pawn, the queen can then take the pawn on d3 to checkmate the king in 2. If black pushes the b pawn, for example, the queen can then move to e5 to checkmate the king in 2. You can even start this checkmate in 2 by moving the queen to c5 and then to e5 after the pawn push, checkmate in 2. Okay, that's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. It will really help out the channel, and I'll see you again soon.